Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in D major. This timeless piece, originally by Pachelbel, is built upon a simple yet elegant structure. We'll start by understanding the D major key, which features two sharps. Then, we'll dive into the iconic 8-note bass line that forms the foundation. Finally, we'll explore how the three beautiful melodic voices weave together to create its rich, harmonious sound. The heart of Canon in D lies in its repeating bass line, a foundational 8-note progression. This pattern D, A, B, F sharp, G, D, G, A repeats consistently, providing a stable harmonic bass. Focus on playing these 8 notes with a steady, even rhythm. Mastering this one-bar progression is crucial as it underpins the entire piece and allows the melodic voices to shine. Once the bass line is solid, we introduce the melodic layers. The first voice often features simple arpeggios, creating a flowing feel. Then, you'll gradually add the second and third voices, each contributing unique harmonic textures. Remember to differentiate these three voices through careful dynamics and phrasing, allowing each part to be heard clearly within the rich tapestry of sound. To truly master Canon in D, consistent practice is key. Start slowly with a metronome, ensuring every note is accurate and in time. Pay close attention to smooth transitions between chords and melodic phrases, aiming for a seamless flow. Finally, if possible, try playing with one or two other musicians. Experiencing the full ensemble effect is incredibly rewarding and enhances your understanding of the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.